creativity in Africa.
We Go Innovate presents GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Samuel Deyira is a junior scientist in the Upper East region of Ghana. He's a student of Saint James RC JHS located in Kajaro. He converts electrical energy into sound energy for his experiment. For this, he needs a magnet, a solenoid, a non-magnetic container, a battery, and an amplifier. This surely will be an interesting science practical.
I'll start by coiling my solenoid on the container. So I'm leaving the first end of the solenoid to serve as a terminal. And you mount them to the container, and also you leave the other end of the solenoid to serve as another terminal. So now I'm testing my solenoid to see whether the terminals are okay. I see sparks, which means my solenoid is okay. So now I'm testing it in the magnet to see whether the electromagnetic force has been induced into the solenoid. In my first test, it attracted because they are unlike poles. And the second test, it repelled because they are like poles. So now I'm connecting my solenoid to the amplifier to test. The solenoid is fed by electrical energy from the amplifier. So now I've connected it to the amplifier, and the solenoid is containing electrical energy because it serves as an inductor. So now I'll open my magnet. The noise is as a result of the electrical energy stored in the solenoid that is converted into sound energy in the magnetic field.
The electrical energy in the magnet pushes the air inside the container up and down to produce sound. Most homes are equipped with doorbells, which uses this principle to produce sound when pressed.
My name is Deyira Samuel. I school at Saint James RC Junior High, Form 2. Kindly vote for the experiment converting electrical energy to sound energy using magnetic field.
Now that was an exciting experiment, wasn't it? Vote for Samuel Deyira of Saint James RC JHS in the Upper East region of Ghana at www.wegoinnovate.org. You can vote as many times as you want. It's free. Samuel was great at showing us how to produce sound energy from electrical energy. How about you? Can you try this experiment at home, either by yourself or with your friends from school? Also, make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.
Comment.